Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a small safe about this size, this video is for you. So this company right here sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you tell us what you think? But no way whatsoever. This being provided to me fitness review. I am just here to keep it real. So this is everything you get. The first thing I'm going to shout out is this, which I've never seen before, which is a, we'll call it a little satchel, a little Ziploc. It does come with zippers, but it's going to protect from the old heat. It's going to keep whatever valuable is in here with a little extra, let's just say, protection against the old heat elements that might be quite severe in a worst case scenario. So you also get the safe, and you get a USB to USB-C backup, 2 keys that come with it. This is what it looks like. It doesn't have any exterior holes or anything from a mounting standpoint. Strictly a safe to kind of just hold things in. From a dimension standpoint, this is right at 9 inches, 6.5 inches deep, 6 3/4. Does come with a digital keypad. So the way it works is you have an opportunity of putting one keypad combination, and then also you have your 2 keys that are right here. Now there is a key cover that goes right here that can be popped out with your finger. So if the key is not going to be used, this cover can be put on there. So it's just kind of, kind of hides the keyhole. To open it with the key, pretty simple. Stick the key in, give it a little turn this, opens up. The 4 batteries that do come with it go on the inside, and this locks in place. There is a reset button back here, so when changing the combination, it's just a simple press of a button like that, and then you enter in your new code, and then you're good to go. When not using the key, it's pretty simple. You just put in the code, press pound, green light turns on, you give it a turn, opens right up, and there's also a convenient LED light on the inside. So with the door closed, due to the locking mechanism, the depth on the inside is right at about 5 inches. So 5 inches deep, and then the other measurements on the width are closer to about 8.5 or so width-wise, and then right at about 6 1/4 tall. This is all on the inside. So if you're looking for a nice safe to kind of keep things locked up, hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have about this handy dandy safe, and we'll talk to you soon.